Number 1. Aries Multifunction Mechanics Rolling Seat. This rolling seat provides you with a tool storage drawer and tray underneath the seat, so you'll be able to keep the tools you need organized and on hand at all times. You won't even have to worry about losing small parts and will be able to keep them within easy reach. This rolling seat lets you convert it quickly from a creeper to a stool and back again without having to break out any tools, so you'll be able to get to work comfortably and quickly.
Number 2. Ropelux Rechargeable LED Work Light 1500 lumens. This work light has a built-in 2000 mAh capacity battery. It can be freely folded 180 degrees, which means that in addition to this light as an outdoor floodlight, you can also fold it and use it as a desk, workbench, or outdoor picnic lighting. There are 3 magnets on the back and bottom of the flashlights, which can be firmly attached to the metal surface. If you need to overhaul the car engine or repair the water pipe, it can be easily attached to the top. The hooks on the bottom also come into play in places you wouldn't expect. For example, it can be hung on the top of the tent to provide lighting for your outdoor camping.
Number 3. Rocket Socket 18-piece 1/4 inch drive bolt lug nut extractor socket tool set. Every rocket socket is precision engineered to easily extract damaged bolts, nuts, and screws even if they are stripped, rusted, rounded off, or frozen. Socket sets with razor grip provide excellent torque. The more you turn, the tighter the socket grips. The set comes in a heavy-duty blow-molded case that keeps all the sockets in place. You can depend on rocket socket quality to make every job faster, safer, and a lot less frustrating. Number 4. Poplock 3-piece indexing pry bar set. 3-piece indexing pry bars including 8, 12, and double joint 17-inch. Adjustable pry bar set heavy-duty, ideal for serpentine belt remove, automotive work, precise pry bar edge tip. Patented innovative unique double gear indexing pry bars mechanic tool design with 2 sides push locking mechanism design for car auto body tools.
Number 5. Sharpel Dual Grit Diamond Sharpening Stone File with Leather Strop. Industrial monocrystalline diamonds are electroplated onto a stainless steel base. Up to 5 times faster sharpening than oil stone, water stone. Sharpen and hone all hard material including knife, axe, hatchet, machete, lawnmower blade, spade, drills, chisels, shears, carbide, high-speed steel, titanium, ceramics, and most of super hard material, etc. Sharpen dry. No messy oil or water needed. Coarse 325 grit, 45 micron, for quick sharpening dull and damaged blade or reset a new edge. Extra fine 1200 grit, 9 micron, for honing. Number 6. Saker Contour Gauge 10-inch lock profile tool. Saker contour gauge can duplicate any shape instantly. This profile gauge creates an instant template for curved and odd-shaped profiles simply and easily. Never transfer profiles to paper or cardboard again. The contour gauge makes measuring and cutting easy.
Number 7. GINR 300 watt powerful random orbital sanders. The powerful 300 watt and 2.5 amp motor of the GINR orbital sander up to 13,000 RPM is ready to meet your sanding expectations on contours or flat surfaces and improve your sanding efficiency. The 6 adjustable speeds control of the orbital sander allow you to choose different speed modes according to different work. Orbital sander for all your sanding and polishing needs.
Number 8. Digital Caliper, Ditron 0 to 6 inch calipers measuring tool. Locking screw to ensure stability. Knurled thumb will sliding smoothly and use for fine tuning, rolling easily and do not bind. Zero calibration at any point when measuring, then you can start a new measurement. Number 9. CleSync automatic vacuum switch for power tools. If the tool motor connected to the 1 port exceeds 27.5 watt, the vacuum connected to the 2 port will automatically delay 0.5 second to turn on, which helps prevent circuit overloaded by large current if tool and vacuum power on at the same time. The shorter the delay, the faster your vacuum will work, the cleaner your home will be. Automatic delays 0.5 second to turn on the vacuum when you start your tool, which is more fast than other switches in the market. Why not make your home a little cleaner? Number 10. Oblin Automotive Test Light 3 to 60 volt DC digital LED circuit tester. This upgrade circuit test light is a bidirectional voltage tester. You can attach the alligator clamp either to negative or positive ground. There is also a light-emitting diode on the circuit board for polarity indication. Red light indicates positive polarity and green light indicates negative polarity.